Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Kyle and this is Gemma. Today we're going to be making Thai red curry chicken. And this is one of my most favorite dishes. It's the dish that got me into cooking back in the early summer when COVID started. So I hope you guys enjoy this. So let's get started. This is a really easy and quick dish with only 10 ingredients, which makes it a great weeknight meal that you can do in about 30 minutes. The first thing you'll need is 4 cloves of garlic that are minced. This? Actually, oh, you want your Bamba. Here, Bamba. Next, 4 slices of ginger. Uh-oh. Next is palm sugar. So what is palm sugar? It is the sugar that you would get from different types of palm trees, including coconut trees. It is used mostly in Southeast Asian dishes. It helps it taste much more like the dish you would get in a restaurant. The benefits of palm sugar is that it contains less glucose and has a lower glycemic index than table sugar. You get less of that energy spike and crash, which is much better for diabetics. To keep your palm sugar fresh, you'll want to vacuum seal it like I did, or put it in an airtight container. You can store it in your pantry or a cool, dark place. Then 4 tablespoons of red curry paste. Curry paste is the key to making this dish fast. You can find this at your local Chinese store or on Amazon. I use Maizuri red curry paste. It is vegetarian and does not have shrimp paste. So you'll need to add shrimp paste if you want to add that extra umami flavor. Unfortunately, when it comes to store-bought curry paste, spiciness and flavor are tied together. So if you add less curry paste to make it less spicy, you will also lose out on some flavor. If you have leftover curry paste, you can store it in the fridge for up to a week. However, if you don't plan to use it, just put it into a freezer bag and press out all the air. You can store it in the freezer for about 3 months. Next, you'll need 2 cups of coconut milk. Mama? Oh, one at a time. Next, I'm using 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I cut them into about 3/4 inch size pieces. Yeah, Ma. Oh no, you're gonna drop that, aren't you? Oh no. I'm almost done. Gemma. Here. Here. Just that. Will cap us? Too bad I can't say its copyrighted name. That sounds like Otoro. Lastly, we just need to season the chicken with some salt and freshly ground pepper. Then give it a nice mix. The last ingredient is 8 baby bok choy, with the help of my lovely wife and Gemma. Now let's take this outside to cook. Now I'm adding avocado oil. I'm adding just enough to be able to cover the garlic and ginger. Now you want the wok to be hot enough to not burn the garlic and ginger, but just enough to make it become fragrant. So now let's add the garlic and ginger. Now that that smells fragrant, it's time to add in the curry paste. Now I'm adding in a 1/4 cup of coconut milk. Now we're going to cook the curry paste with the coconut milk for a few minutes until you start seeing the coconut oil separate from the curry paste. And this is what it should look like when it's done. So now we can add the chicken in. Now we'll cook the chicken until it is browned. Now the chicken looks like it is starting to brown on the outside. That means it is time to add in the rest of the coconut milk. That will simmer for a few minutes to let the coconut milk and curry paste combine, as well as let the chicken finish cooking. The curry looks pretty good now, so we can add in the baby bok choy and cook that until it wilts. So that cooked for about a minute now, and it's done. We can take it inside to eat. So with the amount I made, you'll definitely have leftovers, and it reheats really well on the stove. Now it's time for the true taste test. Yay, chicken! Is it good? Whoa, chicken, yay! Well, thanks guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this time. And I hope you guys try this someday. It's really good. It's one of our favorite dishes, especially hers. Yay, so much chicken. Yay, bye-bye, so. Well, come back next time. Bye.